Welcome to Crown's Quick Tip Tuesdays, where we give you tips on keeping your vehicle safe and well maintained.
Crown's Quick Tip Tuesdays. Change your spark plugs. If your car's engine has a rather rough idle or misfires from time to time, maybe you need to consider replacing your spark plugs. Other symptoms of a malfunctioning spark plug can include lack of acceleration, trouble starting your vehicle, unusually high fuel consumption, or even engine surging. Ideally, you need to replace your spark plugs every 20,000 to 40,000 miles, based on how often you use your vehicle and the kind of car that you drive. Again, you need to check your vehicle's owner's manual or even your car maintenance checklist to determine when you should replace your spark plugs. However, if you lack these tools or you simply are not confident enough about your skills in the checking and replacing of these plugs, please call one of our experts at Crown Auto Sales and Leasing Service Department so we can get you in. Call 704-247-9288 today.
Thanks for watching Crown's Quick Tip Tuesdays, brought to you by Crown Auto Care Service Center, Charlotte's leader in automotive repair.